It's nice to meet you. I am Stein. I'm one of the founders of Helio, and we're the leading payments provider in Solana. One of our key use cases is NFT pre-sales. We've helped hundreds of projects raise millions of dollars uh, using the Helio tooling to pre-sell NFTs in the run-up to mint. Logan asked us to give you a little demo so you get up to speed quickly on how to use Helio. So let's go ahead. Connect at hell.io. Sign in with your Phantom or other Solana wallets. We're fully Web3 native experience. So the protocol is non-custodial. Folks can spin up payments, receive the money instantly in their wallets. This dashboard gives me an overview of all of my payments. Typically, if I'm an NFT project looking to configure a pre-sales, I head over to settings. I can customize my checkout page. That means I can upload a logo, put a company website, and more. We have a Discord bot. I can authenticate here to assign whitelist roles or pre-sales roles in the Discord server when folks purchase on a pay link. We have an API that allows me to listen to webhooks for real-time transaction data, allows me to spin up pay links dynamically, and more. Let's go ahead and set up a NFT pre-sale. So suppose I'm pre-selling a Helion's NFT. I have a rich text editor here. There we go. I can lock a little bit of content, a little message or a URL or a code. I can choose to upload a media file. There we go. Uploading a GIF here. Hit next to configure my pricing options. So I can fix a price in a fiat currency if I want to hedge against any movements on Solana, for instance. I can set my price in Solana or any SPL token, such as Bonk, etc. We also enable token swaps, so users can purchase with whatever token they have. Typically, folks want to require the Discord username. Can also do the Twitter username or an email address. As mentioned, we can assign the Discord role. In our experience, NFT projects that use pre-sales will typically allocate 30% of the overall. So I'm going to limit my total sales here at 1,000 in this instance. Folks can purchase multiple NFTs. I'm going to require a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 50 per individual. We can split payments across multiple wallets. That might be useful for you if you want to, for instance, hold 50% back in your custodial wallet until the project mints out. We can gate access to the paying based on an NFT. It's great for targeting specific communities. Let's say if I want to organize a pre-sale of my NFT for the OK Bears community, I can just simply add the token address here of an OK Bear, and people need to hold that in their wallet before they can purchase. So I can customize the URL for Magic Eden. There we go. Validate the URL. I can now copy this. There we go. So as you can see, within a minute, I've really spun up a pre-sales experience. Can be shared anywhere. Folks can use different tokens, right, to purchase the NFT using token swaps, or I can just use the Solana here. Minimum is 5, maximum is 50. Can increase, decrease the quantity. I'm going to go ahead and hit pay here. Approve the transaction. There we go. Confirms within 5 seconds usually. Can reveal a little bit of content. There's a soul scan link here. The end user can log into Helio at any point in time, click outgoing transactions. So they also have a receipt, so to speak. I can see all of the merchant details here, and that's quite useful. From an NFT project perspective, I now have all of my transactions for my NFT pre-sales in one place. I can download that from a CSV, or we can use the API, as I mentioned, to listen to webhooks, for instance. So I encourage you to have a look at the docs here. a little bit of an explanation on how to generate an API key. We also have a very easy method to pump transactions into Google Sheets using Google Apps Script. And I think from a integration point of view, it'd be great for us to figure out how transactions can be instantly reflected in your launchpad. So on the day of mint, people just get it airdropped to their correct wallet address, which is obviously recorded here as part of this transaction that you can see here. So I hope this was a little bit of a useful demo. Feel free to give it a spin yourself. Log into hell.io